Thank you for joining me as I do a quick little refresher to my refrigerator before I go grocery shopping. This way I know what I have and what I need to add to my grocery list. And also, as you can see, it looks pretty messy in here, so let's get it done. First, I'm just gonna take everything out of the refrigerator and put it on the counter. Since this is just a refresher, not a deep clean, I'm just going to be using these disinfectant wipes to clean the entire inside of the refrigerator. So now that I finished wiping down the entire refrigerator, I'm putting the meat in the meat drawer. On the middle drawer, I'm going to be putting in the applesauces and the cheese. This drawer is at a good height where my son can reach in and grab his applesauce or cheese. Now I'm just going to quickly put away the rest of the items, the milk, the coffee, and then I put the heavy whipping cream on the door together with the whipped cream. It's a coconut whipped cream. Try to put all the condiments on the door. I have some of mayonnaise, some olives, and some hot sauce there on the door. And then found some more cheese, put that in the cheese drawer. As you can see, we go through a lot of cheese in this house. All right, so I feel so much better now. The refrigerator looks so much more organized, and you can really tell now that there are items that I need to buy. And you can tell at first glance where everything is. You couldn't before. So now I'm just gonna make a list of the items that I'm missing, and I'm gonna head to the store tomorrow. But now mentally, I know that I feel so much better just because I did this step. And once I bring in the next grocery bags, then it'll be easier to place them. It's always good to keep your refrigerator refreshed and clean because food builds up a lot of mold if you let it sit in the refrigerator for too long. Oh, there he is again. But yeah, I hope that this video motivated you to get up and refresh your refrigerator. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.